Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Samba by Adidas and Pharrell Williams lifestyle brand Humanrace in the cloud white colorway. It comes in a blue Humanrace branded box with an extra set of wax black laces. I like the simple packaging, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Released back in November 2022, paying homage to football culture with a premium leather and suede upper and an extended tongue that all sits on a gum sole. I like the zigzag stitching details on the three stripes. The exaggerated tongue adds a different dimension to the Samba, but I like folding over the tongue for that classic football boot vibe like the Adidas Pure or Predator. Sizing wise, I stay true to my US 10, which is a UK 9.5, which is half a size up from the Nike, Adidas or Puma sizing, and it fits nice and snug. It's a clean twist to the Samba, but not a 2 pairs minimum. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment race to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.